Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to a new video. So in today's video we are going to take a close look at Sega Megadrive on the RetroGame 300. We're going to play some extra games, just do some extended testing because I'm very curious. How are the games running on this device? So stay tuned and let's play some games. Right, so the first game, let's play some Golden Eggs. Sounds good. Time for some Angry Birds, people. Oh yeah. It can get more. No. It can't get more wicked than this. Oh, okay. Tip, 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 tip. Okay, let's see. Save forks. And when pressing the button we can even save. New. Ah, that was the last point I've saved. Okay. Okay, shall we save? Yes, please. Okay. Sounds crazy good on this thing. Oh yeah. Okay, so let's try another homebrew game. Pretty funny. What? How does this work? What the hell? Alright, so for the final conclusion about a Megadrive for the RetroGame 300. Okay, so it runs like a charm. I really like the screen of this device, the way how it plays with the controls. For example, when I'm playing Sonic 3, it works like a charm. I'm not really having this idea that I'm playing on a portable device. So this is what you're going to get. Let me know what you think of this. Well, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell. And if you're into gaming, don't forget to check out the Wicked Gaming channel. See you next time.